Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to learn use of space bar key. Okay, but first of all, I will revise what we have learned in the last week. We have learned that if you want to maximize or if you want to enlarge your window, notepad window, then you can use these rectangle. Okay, it is known as maximize button. Right side corner, you can see at right side corner you can see these rectangle. It is known as maximize or restore button. Okay, if you want to make your notepad window large, then you can use these maximize button. Okay, and if you want to close your notepad window, then you can use these cross button. Can you see this right side corner? This cross button is used to close your notepad window. I will show you. Now see, this is our notepad window. Okay. Now this notepad window is small. Now if I want to make it large, then I will click on this rectangle. It is known as maximize button. Click on this maximize button, then it will your notepad window will get large. Okay, now if you want to make your notepad window small again, okay, then you can see here two squares. See, two squares here. It is known as restore button. Which button? Restore button. If you want to make your notepad window small, then you can click on this restore button again. Then it makes our notepad window small. Okay, understood how to make your notepad window large and how to make notepad window small. These we have learned already in the last week, but still I will revise it. Okay. Now, afterward, if you want to close your notepad window, then you can see here cross button. See cross button at right side corner. This cross button is known as close button. If you want to close your notepad window, then simply click on this notepad close button. Then it will close your notepad window. Okay, understood? Now, uh, another thing that in the last week we have seen how to type numbers. 1, then you will press enter key, 2, then enter key, then 3. Okay, like this you will type numbers on the new line, isn't it? Another line, 3 another line, 4 another line. But now I want to type 1, afterward I want to type 2, then 3. On the same line, I want to type numbers 1 to 10. Okay, so I will type 4, then 5. Wait, see this 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, and now I will type 10. But see, can you observe if I type here 10? It's okay, I know it is a 10. Okay, but whenever you will read those numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you will read 1, isn't it? Then you can say 0 also. Afterward you can say 0, isn't it? Because we cannot identify that this is a 10 number is 10. So, for these, you have to give space between 9 and this 10 number, isn't it? That then only you can identify that this is a 10 number. Otherwise, you cannot. So, what is the use of spacebar key? Spacebar key is used to give space between two numbers or two letters or two words. Okay, now for example, if you can say any paragraph, if there is no space between words, then How can you read this? It will be very difficult to read, isn't it? But if you give space between words, then it will be easy to read, isn't it? So here, if I want to separate these 10, okay, then I will give space between 9 and 10. Now how to give space? By using this space bar key. Can you see this space bar key? Longest key on your keyboard. It is known as space bar key. Okay, now I will press this space bar key. Okay, like this you can give space. Now I will show you again. I will type numbers 1 to 10. Okay, but I will give space now between 1 and 2, between 2 and 3, like this. Wait. Now enter key 1. Now press space bar key 2. Again space bar key 3. Again space bar key 4. Then space bar key 5, 6, 7. Space bar key 8. Now space bar key again 9. Again space bar key 10. See, here you can identify this is the number 10, isn't it? Now I want to type numbers 11 to 20 on the next line. So which key I will press? You can see here enter key. Enter key is used to go to the next line. So I will press enter key and then 11 space 12 space 13 space 14 space 15. Again space bar key 16. Space bar key 17. Space bar key 18. Space bar key 19. Space bar key 20. Okay, like this you can type numbers from 1 to 20, or you can type numbers from 1 to 50 also. Okay, 1 to 10 on one line, then 11 to 20 on the next line, 21 to 30 on the next line. Okay, like this you can type. Now today what you have to do? You have to do practice for typing of twos table. Okay, I hope everyone knows twos table, isn't it? So I will show you how to type. 2 ones are 2. Then give space. Press space bar key. Okay. 8. Okay. Space bar key. Now 2 twos are 4. Now space bar key. 2 threes are 6. Okay. Now press space bar key. 2 fours are 8. Again press space bar key. 2 fives are 10. Now press space bar key. 2 sixes are 12. Again press space bar key. 2 sevens are 14. Space bar key. 2 eights are 16. Space bar key. 2 nines are 18. Space bar key. 2 tens are 20. Okay, understood? Now what you have to do? You have to do practice for typing of numbers 1 to 20 or 30, whatever you want, by using spacebar key. 1 to 10 on one line, then 11 to 20 on the second line. And then afterward you have to type twos table. Okay, on the another line. Understood? Do practice for it and save it by with the help of your parents. Okay, and post it in our Microsoft Teams computer group. Okay, in our Microsoft Teams we have a team of first first love computer or first wisdom computer. Okay, these three you can post it in our Microsoft Teams computer team. Okay, with the help of your parents, because I know that you cannot post it, but you can type it and save it with the help of your parents and post it in the Microsoft Teams computer team with the help of your parents. Okay, thank you.